certificate of Senator-elect Manuel Mercado Lapid.
Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. We, the chairman and commissioners of the Commission on Elections, sitting en banc as the National Board of Canvassers of the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, do hereby proclaim Manuel Mercado Lapid as Senator-elect to serve for a term of 6 years, ending on June 30, 2031, in accordance with Section 4, Article 6 of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines. Given this 17th day of May 2025 in the city of Manila, Philippines. Signed, Chairman George Erwin Garcia and the 6 commissioners, Amy Ferolino, Ray Bulay, Ernesto Ferdinand Maceda Jr., Nelson Celis, Maria Nuria Tangaro Casingal, and Noli R. Pico, attested by Chupisto Elnas Jr., Executive Director.
May we request the family and friends of Senator Lapid to come up the stage for a photo opportunity. Again, may we request our senators and the family to come up on stage for a photo opportunity. Now, may we request Senator Lapid for a short message.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Unang-una po ay nais ko muna magpasalamat sa ating mahal na Panginoon at sa ating mahal na Pangulo, President Bongbong Marcos, at kay Commissioner George Garcia, sa ating bumubuo ng mga komisyoner nandito sa harap ngayon, at ang alyansa ng bagong Pilipinas. At nagpakasakit at pakasipag si Congressman Toby Janko ng campaign manager ng Alyansa. At sa aking mga minamahal sa buhay, ang aking pamilya, at ang lahat ng lingkod lapid na nagpasakit at Senate team, at lahat ng tumulong at nagtiwala at sumuporta sa akin at lahat ng mamamayang Pilipino. Number 11 po ako, number 12. Nakakahinga na tayo. Nakahinga na rin po. Saan niyo po, at apat na term ko na po ito bilang senador, at gagawin ko po lahat ng aking magagawa. At sisipagan pa natin, maghanap po tayo ng mga batas na para sa ating mga mamamayang Pilipinong mahihirap. Mabuhay po ang Pilipinas, mabihay po ang lahat po ng mga Pilipino. Sa inyo po lahat, maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. May we request Commissioner Ray E. Bulay to read the proclamation certificate of Senator-elect Camille